Good morning dear students, we are see the chapter number 2, periodic classification of elements. We are going to learn a periodic table based on a electronic configuration. The elements in a modern periodic table are classified on the basis of their electronic configuration. They are divided into the 4 blocks. First, S blocks, D block and P block. Another one is F block. There are 4 blocks. S block is a first is a S block element. S block elements. S block elements. The group first and second. The group first and second is included the S block. These elements contain 1 or 2 electrons in their outermost shell. All these elements are metals. S block is the outermost shell is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. In a electronic outermost shell is 1 and 2 electrons. For example, hydrogen. Hydrogen is atomic number 1. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 1. Lithium. Lithium is atomic number is 3. Is electronic configuration 2 and 1. Sodium 11 is electronic configuration is 281 is 281 is the S block elements. Next one is P block elements. P block elements. P block elements. The group 13 to 18, 13 to 17 and 18 groups elements included in a P block elements. They contain 3 to 8 electrons in the outermost shell is called a P block elements. They contains all the elements in a metal, non-metals and metalloids. For example, barium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Barium is 5 is electronic configuration 2, 3. Carbon 6 electronic configuration is 2, 4, 7, 9. 7 is electronic configuration. Nitrogen is 2, 5. Oxygen 8 electronic configuration 2, 6. Fluorine or iron 9 is electronic configuration 2, 7 and neon. Neon is electronic configuration is 2, 8 is increasing in outermost shell is increases 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 groups is zero groups or inert gas or noble gas is the P blocks elements. Next one is D block elements. D block elements is 3 to 12. 3 to 12 are known as a D block elements. These elements have a 2 outermost shell incomplete. 2 outermost shell incomplete. They are known as transition elements. All the elements are metals. All the metals. For example, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, arsenic, bromide, krypton is examples. Is 2 electrons is outermost shell. Next one is F block elements. The element present in the bottom of the periodic table, that is lanthanides. The bottom, lanthanides and actinides. There are the 2 elements is F block elements. The elements present at the bottom of the periodic table, that is the lanthanides and actinides, are called F block elements. They have their outermost shell incomplete. They are called inner transition elements. All these elements are metal. These are the all elements, lanthanides and actinides. The all elements are metals. Next one is normal elements. Normal elements. Elements are the S and P block. S and P blocks are called normal elements. The S block and D block elements, P block, S and P block elements are called normal elements. These elements have the outermost shell is incomplete. Outermost shell is incomplete. The first and second group is outermost shell is 1 and 2, and 13 to 18 increases in a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is increases. The outermost shell is increases. These elements have the outermost shell incomplete in accepted in a 0 groups. Accepted in a 18 groups is a 0 groups. Second one is the inert elements. 0 groups elements have the completed outermost shell. They are called inert elements or unknowable elements. They are 0 groups. 0 group means 18 groups. 18 groups is a 0 groups. The outermost shell is a completed, is a octet is a completed. They are called inert elements or unknowable elements. All these elements are a gaseous state. For example, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon is a 18 groups in a gaseous state. Third one, transition elements. D block elements are the group 3 to 12 known as a transition element. These elements have a 2 outermost shell incomplete. 2 outermost shell is a incomplete, is a electronic configuration 2 6 6 is a 2 electrons. Octet complete is a 2 electrons is a incomplete transition element. These elements have the 2 outermost shell incomplete. All these elements are a metal. 3 to 12 is a all elements are the metals. Fourth one, inner transition elements. The element present in the bottom of the periodic table is the lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides and actinides are called inner transition elements. Is a F block elements. Lanthanides and actinides, they are metals. They are 3 outermost shell incomplete. All these elements are metals.